Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Tardi token. Now the Tardi token is on the SWE blockchain. Name of the token is TARDI, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now this is based off a meme from Spacex. There's a whole bunch of different Spacex articles linked on their webpage, tardi.org, that explain where this meme comes from. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is actually trending number 2 right now in the SWE section on Dex Screener. Very popular project. $22.7 million market cap. That is a big market cap. That's also their fully diluted valuation. Just today, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $2 million. They've had 6,643 transactions just today. They have been doing some marketing on Dex Screener as well today. It says marketing boost 500 lightning bolt ad button there. And that's probably helped them reach number 2. Now they have $843,000 worth of liquidity in Cetus. Now Cetus is a DEX for SWE tokens. There's also Turbos Finance and Bluemove and maybe others as well. And right now token price is about 2.27 cents per token. So if you're looking to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store SWE tokens. So you could use, there's one just called a SWE wallet that you could download. There's another one called a SWEET wallet. There's a whole bunch of them. But you could just download a SWE wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with SWE. Now you could fund your wallet with SWE from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box if you like. Once you funded your wallet with SWE, you'd go into the dApps. You would find Cetus, C-E-T-U-S, and then you would trade your SWE for the Tardi token using the contract address you could find on their official webpage, tardi.org. They also have a buy now button right on their webpage that will take you right to Cetus, so you could connect your wallet that way. There's buy now buttons all over the webpage. And then there's also a how to buy section in case you get stuck or you didn't understand how I just explained that. You could just follow the steps on their webpage, tardi.org. If you want to join the Telegram, it is at Tardi on Moon. 302 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. And that is a great place to see announcements, new partnerships, updates, token listings, memes, all sorts of cool stuff. And then their Twitter right here, Tardi on Moon, is the same address for the Twitter. Blue verified checkmark, 261 posts. It says, I'm the OG Moon Boy, an indestructible microscopic water bear. SWE's toughest token, scientifically proven. Has a link to their Telegram, link to their webpage. So all the links you're going to need are going to be on this Twitter right here. They just joined in November 2024. Brand new project, 1,450 followers. And they have the contract address also right in the pinned tweet right there. So it says, built to vibe and thrive. Tardi survives everything. Bear markets, nuclear winters, you name it. And then if you go to the webpage, there's all sorts of links, contact info, socials, buy now buttons. And then they have articles that you could read. So there's one here from June 3rd. entitled SpaceX just launched 5,000 tardigrades into space so astronauts can study how indestructible they are. So that's the full name, is tardigrades. And it says there's another one here from April 14th. Rare video footage of a tardigrade that lasted 30 minutes. Then they have here another one from December 24th. Why tardigrades spilled all over the moon in 2020. And then there's another video here. Tardigrades, the surprising microcosmos compilation. New tardigrade discover reveals secrets of radiation resistance. So I guess they are pretty tough. So it says here, anti-aging elixir could be hiding in indestructible tardigrades, says scientists who found microscopic creatures' proteins slow cell damage. So yeah, all sorts of stuff like that is interesting. Like, you know, these things they're saying are pretty indestructible. And then they're saying that, I guess you can't be pretty indestructible, but you know what I'm saying? But then there's I saw a thing on the AI podcast where if you like, you know, how flatworms, supposedly some of these flatworms out there can live forever. And then there's the things about how sharks can't get certain diseases. So there's all sorts of cool things in the world that people are trying to figure out that maybe can help humans in the future. And this is one of them. And this is in space, I guess. So that's kind of probably harder to study, but... So it says here, the Eternal Code, Tardi's Guide to Thriving, Surviving, and Mooning. Hey there, you cosmic voyagers and Memecoin mavericks, gather round for the saga of Tardi, the ultimate survivor, the water bear who's been through more than your average crypto crash. Tardi's has not just endured, he's thrived. Imagine this. He's been shot out of cannons, taken on casual moonwalks, and laughed in the face of radiation that would make your hard drive weep. In a world where your toast decides to turn into charcoal and your investments take a dive, Tardi's here to show you the way of the true hodler with a resilience that mirrors the endless flow of water. Tardi navigates through the financial tides with ease, embodying the spirit of SWE without even trying to. So strap in with Tardi. Where we don't just survive, we flourish, the mock of the market dips, and we're always ready for our next journey to the moon and beyond. If Tardi can withstand being boiled, frozen, or shot into space, then so can we, with a grin that says, that's all you've got, universe. And so that's the tagline there. So anyways, go check that out. Tardi.org is the webpage. You can find this token on Dex Screener, where you can see the chart and the price and the contract address. You could also find the contract address in the pinned tweet there on their Twitter. And let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.